Hey, welcome to The Fix. My name's Tucker.
And I'm Travis.
And today we are out at the Goss Ranch out in Augusta, Montana with Casey, who owns the ranch. And we're gonna test out this little thing, which is the Pulsefire Compact. And we're gonna avoid certain words so that we can keep this on social media. We're gonna call it a
long-range torch.
Long-range torch. This has a couple of uses. What it says on the box is
bonfires, weeds,
and
just because.
Just because. We're gonna test out just because and bonfires and maybe go for holes. And we're gonna show you how this works and what this does. And Casey's actually a volunteer firefighter and also works for the Forestry Service, so he understands fires. And because it is his ranch, we thought it would be good to have him here. So give us a little, if we're gonna do this or use this in this kind of setting, what do we wanna be careful of so that we don't hurt ourselves, catch the forest on fire, things like that?
Yeah, so we selected a location we've used before as a burn pit. It's clear of vegetation around. We're luckily no wind today.
Yep.
And
which is rare for Montana.
Yeah, we do have a good water source right next door.
And we're not building it up high. There's
Yes.
no trees over top to catch on fire. So we're being careful. We do have a fire extinguisher close by just in case. So here's the technology. In this tank is gasoline. You could vary the fuel a little bit, but they say the best use is gasoline. There's a little relief valve on the top, and then there's a pump inside here. The pump, when you activate it, pumps through the end, and then these two wires cause an arc in the end to ignite it, and you get a 15-foot stream of fire ignited. That's basically the technology for the Pulsefire Compact long-range torch. Let's check it out. All right, so some conclusions. One, that was a lot of fun. Do you have any practical uses for this on a farm and ranch?
Oh, what we did today, you can definitely light something on fire from a distance, which is,
That's
you
nice.
know, a safety thing, but
Better than dashing in gasoline and then like.
yeah. You don't want to be doing that. So that is a benefit. You can.
So we did notice that the tank is pretty small, and it goes. I mean, if we just held it down, ran it nonstop, it's lasting for maybe 25 seconds or so.
Right.
So if you're using it like we just were, where we're just using it constantly, you're filling it. We refilled it like 4 or 5 times, but it does work great. The wind definitely does affect it. So we were definitely shooting away from the wind. So thoughts?
I think it's pretty sweet, and then, like Casey was talking about, there's some small, short-term practical uses for it. Like you said, there's probably not a ton of weed burning, unless you're starting it and letting your crop do it as it spreads on its own.
Yeah.
We do know that they have some bigger versions with a little bit bigger reservoir tank.
Yep.
That's
you
a
can get a
possibility.
backpack tank.
Yep.
They do have, so you can check out their website. So this you can actually buy at North 40 off the shelf for
$279.99.
Yeah, so it's fun. All right, let's talk about some ways to not use this. When would we not want to use this, and how would we stay safe?
Well, like we were talking earlier, definitely in a windy environment.
Bad idea.
Bad idea.
Yeah. Super dry environment, I'm guessing, where it could get out of control.
Yep. It does, you know, it's putting fuel out there where it's pointing, so it does kind of dribble back a little bit.
Yep.
So making sure you're in a good area.
Yeah.
Have your safety stuff with you.
Always have a fire extinguisher on hand in case it does get out of control. And we did it in a dirt plot like this, so it's not going to catch grass on fire. If you know Montana, it's nice and green right now, but come July and August, any little spark will ignite this whole field, so we want to be careful of that. Thanks for having us out here, and back to your ranch to test this tool.
It's long-range torch.
Yeah, it was great to have you guys up here. Don't run off because we've got more to clean up.
And on that note, follow us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, and like, share, and subscribe.